Hello, so today we are going to be learning how to access the dark web. So, let's go to our favorite web browser. I'm not going to be using my preferred web browser, Brave, because we need to install that to continue. So, for example, let's open Edge. And we're going to search here. Based on what you want, you can search Brave browser, and you'll see right here, this is Brave, and this is one of the options we'll be using to access the dark web. And we're also gonna show you Tor browser, and this is also another alternative to Brave. And you might be thinking, why are there two browsers? Well, the Tor browser, it's mostly used for browsing the dark web, and it's not that complex, and it doesn't have as many features. While Brave has a lot of features, such as it supports Chrome extensions, and you can get rewards for viewing ads that come out as notifications. It also blocks all ads and trackers automatically, so I think Brave is a really good idea. So we're going to download Brave. Since I already have it installed, I'm just going to go to it. So now we are in Brave. Now what I want you to do is you need to do Shift Alt. It's going to open a private window with Tor. And it says Brave never remembers what you do in a private window. With Tor, your browsing is also hidden from your ISP or employer, and your IP is hidden from the sites you visit. So basically, this is our gateway to the internet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to visit any other sites that I do regularly. And since this is Tor, it's going to take a little longer to load. And as you can see, I can go to any non-dark web website I want to visit. Now you see there's .com and .org and .net, but the dark web websites end in .onion. So I'm gonna look up .onion sites to visit. And Google's probably gonna ask me to do a CAPTCHA because it's suspicious. We're browsing on Tor and I'm horrible. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm just gonna do this by DuckDuckGo. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to search for onion websites. Oh yeah, it's saying I'm in Germany when I'm not because it can't know my IP. So, and I usually like to go to this ExpressVPN website, which shows you 9 best onion websites, and these are very safe because the dark web isn't necessarily bad, it's just people are trying to hide something. And Facebook has their own onion website, which is Facebook core www.i.onion, which is actually the legitimate Facebook website. And it's going to take forever to load because it's Tor. And you might be thinking, how is this not the dark web? Well, we go back into regular browsers such as Brave, Chrome, or Edge, and we paste. Yes, this site cannot be reached. So this is actually the dark web. This isn't something you search on Google. It's not clickbait, okay? This is the real dark web. And there are a lot of these websites are safe to use, but there are some dangerous and illegal websites on the dark web because they can't know your IP address and what you're in. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you.